And you found the quick review to sequence basics. All right, so remember, what is a sequence? It's a set of numbers in a distinguishable pattern. And there are arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences. We'll talk about them later on. But if you look at the sequence we have here, the first number is a 2, right? And the second is a 7, third is a 12, fourth is a 17, and you can go on and figure out what comes next. But it's a sequence. It's in a distinguishable pattern. Now let me talk to you about a little bit of terminology. So this sequence is sequence capital B. If we want to figure out any term, we'll give you the lowercase letter and a subscript to tell you which one. So this means we want the second term of the B sequence. That's what that means, the second term of the B sequence. So what is the second term? Well, again, this is the first term, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, etc. So what is B sub 2? A value of 7. We wanted the second term. So if I did something like this, I'm asking you for what the fifth term. Now I didn't show it, but you should be able to figure it out, right? Can you? Look at the pattern, 2, 7, 12, 17. The next number has got to be what? 22, right? Each one is 5 larger than the previous. And by the way, the 3 ellipses means that this pattern goes on forever to infinity, and hence this is an infinite sequence. Okay? All right, so another general thing is called the general term formula. This is a great formula. This is going to allow you to figure out the value of any given term. All right? So a sub n, so in this case we have sequence A, and I don't show it anywhere, we don't know what it is. But we know its formula, its general term formula. And with it we can figure out the value of anything. So when they give you a question like this, a sub 50, they want to know the 50th term. Well, it's really easy to do if you have the general term formula, because the n is the 50. I need the 50th term. So all you do is sub in 50 for the n. Now I'm able to figure out that a sub 50 is a negative 150 and a negative 2, grand total negative 152. What's the 50th term? Negative 152. How did I figure it out? By subbing in 50 into the general term formula. Hey, some sequence basics. We'll add to it each chapter this year.